Hey, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. Rest is important so you can recharge your batteries. It's very important that you are able to recover, and if you work simultaneously so hard and you don't actually take a break and take some time off, you will not be performing 100% all the time. How do I approach to this is that I sleep 8 hours per day, okay, sometimes less, sometimes 20 minutes longer or if needed, okay, but I make sure that my body is rested, so then for 12 hours I can actually continuously progress and work during the day. So if I wake up at 7, okay, I have 1 or 2 hours to do the training, do the breakfast, take shower, and then from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. I'm focused on progressing and growing, and I have lunch and dinner in between and so on. And also I take 10-20 minutes of a break at that time during the day as well, because then if I take a quick break I can return back to work, and I can straightforward work passionately for another 2 hours, okay? And on Sundays I take break as well, because I want to return to the full week back very recharged and ready for productive work. Okay, so the idea today here is that you have to be able to take a break, but be really careful, all right? Because I see this happens to everybody, okay? You procrastinate too much, all right? And this is not healthy as well, because you should have a goal toward which you are working on, and if you are taking a lot of breaks, then you become lazy, all right? Then you are not productive and you are not progressing. But let's talk about this topic next time. So that was the message for you today, okay? Allow yourself to lay back and have a break, sleep well, rest well, and return recharged and strong back to work. See ya!